Wagwan people, today I'm going to show you how to do a rewind move in dancing. And this move, it's a little bit robotic, this rewind move, Mokus, it's like the Terminator. What the fuck do you want? I am T101. I am Protocol Artificial Intelligence. My job is here to protect you. Can you piss off, please? No problem. Please, I'm sorry. Sorry. I don't want to die today. Please. Go. I love you, please stop me. Anyways, we were talking about the rewind move. Oh, what you're going to do is basically, you're like a robot, but you're basically doing your any move that you do in reverse. So, for example, go like this, go like that. I go like this. Alright, so I'll do a move that I like doing in my dancing, which is this. So I'll go like this, go like that, and then I will do it in reverse. So like that, boom, like this, boom, like this. And obviously, when you're doing this move, you want to do it fluidly as possible, so it looks robotic when you're doing the rewind or reverse move of the move that you did in your dancing. So I will show you how it's fluidly right now. That, like this, like that, like this. Yeah, like that, you see? It is very awesome. Oh, I could do this. You see? It's very awesome, very good. It is time to show you an example of me doing it in full action. Very nice move. I hope you guys enjoyed that video in this tutorial. If you found it very helpful for your dancing or whatever acrobatics you do, please subscribe and like the video, and comment down below what move you'd like me to do a tutorial on, or what video you'd like me to do in dancing, tricking, parkour, or anything like that. Alright, have an awesome day, people, and make sure to not get injured or hurt when practicing these moves. Have a good day, people.